guys, welcome to New Growth Naturals Hub. Today I'm heading to the salon at this moment. It's my lunchtime and I'm going to see what I can learn in a short space of time. So journey along with me as I head to the salon, New Growth Naturals. Hi Samantha.
Hi Gary.
Good afternoon guys. How you all doing today? Alright.
I'm so happy that you're here on your lunchtime.
Happy
Christina
to
is
be
off
here.
today, so I need help. She's under the dryer. She was getting her hair treated. So come around here. So I want you. It's the opportunity to learn how to detangle her natural hair.
Okay.
So I'm gonna actually show you how to detangle.
Awesome sauce.
Yes.
Alright. Get into
So
it.
she's gonna sit over here.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
So to detangle her hair, you can sit, baby girl. I have two combs. These are white tooth combs. This is a rat tail white tooth comb. You want this one?
Yes.
Okay. Because it looks more masculine. I don't know. Right. So it's important to use a white tooth comb when you're gonna detangle hair, especially natural hair. Yeah, she has natural hair. Her hair has in a moisturizing treatment, so her hair is super soft. Feel it. Very soft. It has a little slip in it, so we don't need to put a detangling product in it. Usually if our hair was dry, or if we wash this out, if it say it was a protein treatment or another treatment and we decide to wash it out, then you would have to put like a detangling product in there. So this is how you're going to basically detangle our hair. I'm going to show you quick because like you see I have another customer. So basically you're going to part it in a section. It can be smaller based on what you can manage. You're going to stretch the hair like this first, do some finger detangling, and if you're asking why all of this is necessary, like you know, we have a natural hair salon. We specialize in natural hair care. So when you finger detangle, you limit the amount of breakage that you'll get from the comb.
Okay, man.
Right? Because your fingers can feel the knots. So if there's any knots in your hair at this point in time, you can use your finger to clear them out. When you stretch the hair, like pull out the hair while you're doing this, you're not only removing shedded hair, excess shedded hair that can cause knots to her hair and break it off when you're combing it through, but also you're helping to detangle the hair by stretching it. So finger detangle, remember small section, finger detangle, and then let me comb. Take your white tooth comb, start at the very ends like this. Why? Because if you go like this, you notice that I can't pull it through because there's a lot of knots. And even if I force my way through it, all the knots here is going to come right up here and break the ends off. So you're going to have a lot of breakage, and then that won't help her to retain any length. Plus it's going to be painful for her too. So you want to start it at the ends gently, doing it. If at any point while you're doing this you still feel a knot, stop. We have all the time in the world. Take your time, go through, feel for the knots, use your finger, pull it apart like this to the side, and then you go back, start from the ends again. You take your time and work your way up to the scalp area. Okay. It's pretty easy. It will take time to get the hang of it, but you'll get it. And this is just the basics for you.
Alright, so we did try.
You'll do well, trust me, it's not that hard. If there's any question that you have, just wait a little bit. Let me show you what else. You're so, I like the fact that you're anxious.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so once you finish detangling the section, you want to twist it. Look, remember, I saw you twist the last video that I showed you how to twist. You want to twist the section up. Reason being, you don't want to leave it out so you get in the space and tangled up with other sections, right? So twist it, braid it, whatever is easier for you out of the way. Then you part another section. You don't have to use a comb to part. You can just use your hand to do the sections. You don't have to be comb. You can do whatever. I leave it all up to you. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this for once here. Alright? Let me see how long you're going to take to do it.
Alright.
I may have to come and help you out again, but let's see how well you'll do.
I'll try my best.
Yeah. Wow, you're done already?
Yes, ma'am.
That's awesome. That didn't take you.
Time is finished. I learned a very important lesson today about natural hair. Finger detangling is very important. You have to be patient with your natural hair in order not to break it and to retain your length. So let me know how I did today. So like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until then, see you on the hub.